Welcome to the Configure EDT demonstration video. Configure EDT is designed to allow you to configure a tape library to TSM in a fraction of the time that it would normally require. We start with a TSM system that has no tape library devices defined to it at this time. We can now take a quick tour of where EDT is installed on the system and just get a brief overview of some of the various directories that are used and some of the contents of each directory. Before we can run Configure EDT, we have to make sure that there are tape devices that are present on the operating system. We can see the tape devices that are available on the operating system by running an lsdev-c tape. Next, we start the Gresham Library Manager. We do this by running a serverstart.sh. This causes EDT to go out and automatically discover any available tape devices on the system that we'll use later in the Configure EDT utility. We can see that EDT has discovered various tape library resources by running a queue server. This displays the available libraries and drives to us. We can also do a queue drive to see the tape drives that we have available. We are now ready to run Configure EDT. When Configure EDT first starts, we see any configuration that already exists. Next, we're presented with any available tape libraries that we can configure. We want to create a container so that we can group our tape library resources together for use by TSM. As we can see, we do this. We create a container called Demo. We're going to configure Demo to TSM automatically through the Configure EDT utility. We log in to TSM by giving it username and password, at which point our configuration that we've chosen is pushed into TSM and our configuration of TSM is complete. We can log into TSM to see that in fact the configuration that we set in the Configure EDT utility has been pushed into TSM. In this case, a queue library shows the demo library. Queue path shows that paths have been created. A queue dev class shows that the demo dev class was also created, and that we also have a demo storage pool. We can also look at the ELM comp file to see that the configuration that we requested has been pushed into ELM conf. This ensures that at this point everything is ready to go so that we can perform a TSM database backup or other TSM backup operation.